Welcome to Best IT Documents. The best information technology documents you can download and purchase on the internet. We are a group of IT subject matter experts, with over 75 years of combined broad and deep experience in professional services and IT deployments. Our solutions save you time and money. Our documents are based on successfully executed projects and IT solutions. We provide RFI, IT project, analysis, collection and deployment design templates in Microsoft Word, Project, Visio, Excel, and PowerPoint formats. Increase profits. Increase the profitability and success for your business plan with this illustrated collection of analysis, design, development, testing, deployment, management, and measurement technology template solutions. With over 2,600 actionable IT technology document templates, 18,000 customers, and 100% satisfaction. Our solutions are focused on characterizing the current and future IT business subject matter deployment practices and processes. Our mission is to provide cost-effective, accurate, and rapid IT template deployment solutions, saving you time and money. Learn more by visiting the official website at bestitdocuments.com.